Introducing the 2018 Kia Sedona. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3.3-liter six-cylinder engine. Kia prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including fully automatic headlights, a power rear cargo door, a roof rack, and a split folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Kia ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as traction control, brake assist, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you